YouTube? It's your girl Raina Ray back in the cut with another video, and today you can see I'm wearing this super long pony, and this is the Maya ponytail from insert name here. If you like this look, I'm gonna put this in the description box below so you can cop it too. And basically today I'm just gonna be showing you how I achieved this low sleek ponytail look, and maybe help out some of my fellow curly girls because I have really thick, kinky, coily hair, and sometimes it's hard to get it tamed and get it all slicked back like this. So this is for y'all if y'all watching this. If you have hair like that and you want this ponytail look, this is for you. So before I get into the video, y'all already know I'm gonna need y'all to smash that like button, comment, and subscribe to join the fam, and that's on period. So I'm gonna get right into the video. Alright, so basically I'm starting this style off by sectioning my hair into parts. I'm going to slick my hair starting from the very bottom and then work my way all the way up to the tops and the sides. I'm going to be slicking it down. So I'm starting on freshly co-washed hair and freshly detangled hair, and I'm just gonna start by making my first little section. So basically right here, I'm just showing you guys how big the first section that I decided to start with is. And I'm just going to be going in with my Denman brush and my Kinky Coily leave-in conditioner / detangler, just to make sure all the kinks, all the tangles, all the knots are gone. So even though my hair is already detangled, I'm just going through it once more just to make sure this ponytail can be super laid. I'm showing y'all the conditioner right here just in case you want to use it. And I'm just going to work this product through my hair and try to really focus on the ends because my ends be dry. And I'm just going to keep doing that, and I'm just going to fast forward until the part where I start applying the gel and smoothing it down. So I'm just showing you guys the Eco Styler gel that I'm going to be using to smooth out and lay down my hair. Make sure it's real slick and laid back. I'm just going to apply that to the edges and the perimeter near the part of this section, just to make sure it's all sleek. So you don't necessarily have to use this technique, but what I will say is if you do have extra thick hair and you don't use this technique, it's probably going to look bulky and you're probably going to have a big lump near the base of your ponytail. That's why I feel like a lot of girls who have thick hair do use this technique, and they're breaking up into sections to make sure you really get everything together and slicked down. Alright, so now that I have this section in a ponytail and smoothed and slicked down with the gel, I'm just going to go through with my Denman brush to kind of get all of my curls together and get my curls to be uniform and smooth in the ponytail. Also, I just wanted to say I am doing this method because I do not want to use heat in my hair. I've been flat ironing my hair and I had a little bit of heat damage, so I'm refraining from using heat. But if you have no problem using heat on your hair, you will probably get the best look if you blow dry and flat iron your hair with this ponytail. I am not doing that, so my look is going to come out a little different. It's still going to be super cute, but if you want it to be completely bomb and to have a flawless finish and you don't mind heat, I would suggest maybe blow drying and flat ironing your hair so it can mesh more with the texture of the ponytail. But if you're like me and you don't want to use heat, this method is definitely for you. So I'm just going to be fast forwarding through the next few clips. It's basically just going to be me doing everything I just did on that first section to the next few sections of my hair until I get to the top part of the ponytail. So I know this sounds a little bit repetitive, but now that I have my hair all slicked back into a ponytail, I'm just going to wet it and take my leave-in conditioner and my denim brush and smooth it all together one last time just to make sure all the kinks and knots are out and kind of just to give my curls a more uniform look now that it's all in one ponytail. So after my hair is all detangled, I'm just going to be separating it into 3 parts and then braiding it down. So after it's all braided down, I'm just going to take my head scarf and tie my hair down for about 30 minutes. This just makes sure everything is really laid down. Every hair is laid down and gelled down into place, and your edges are all gelled down. This is just going to make sure the ponytail really looks sleek. So after chilling with your head scarf on for 30 minutes, you should be good to go and attach the ponytail. Your hair should be all slicked down and ready to go. So I'm just showing y'all what the ponytail came in and how the packaging looked. They also gave me this really cute purple bag like I'm showing here. So you can protect your ponytail and store it here when you're not wearing it. So cute. Alright, and I'm just going to take it out and show y'all what it looks like and then show y'all how to attach the ponytail. So this ponytail did come with a Velcro strip to help you secure it. And that's what I'm unwrapping here. And also it comes with a comb to help you secure the ponytail, which I'm showing right here. And basically, I'm just going to take the comb and put it near the base of my braid. So where my braid begins, I'm going to stick the comb right there. And then begin to wrap the ponytail around to secure the Velcro. Once the Velcro is secured, I'm just going to take that extra piece of curly hair that they provide you to hide the Velcro strip and wrap that around. I'm struggling a bit right here because I got some thick hair. But then basically once I get the extra strip wrapped around to hide the Velcro, I'm just going to use the 2 bobby pins that they gave me to secure that in place. And voila, that's really it. You're done. It's a really easy ponytail to install. I guess the hardest part is if you're a curly girl trying to get your hair to blend to that texture. So basically, I'm just going to be brushing it and trying to add bobby pins to get it to the look that I desire. But that's basically it for how you install the ponytail. So I'm just going to fast forward to the final look. Alright y'all, so this is the final product, and I'm not gonna lie, I was skeptical when I ordered this ponytail just because, you know, I didn't see many black girls on their Instagram page and on the site. So, you know, sometimes we just have to be a little wary because our hair texture is so different. But if I had to describe like what this felt like, it's like if I was to blow dry my curls as straight as possible. Like if I was to blow it out as straight as I could, this is what it would feel like. So I feel like this is the perfect ponytail for a curly girl. And once again, I did mention it earlier, but once again, this is the Maya ponytail from insert name here. And I showed it throughout the video, but it comes with a little comb that you attach to your hair, and it also comes with a little extra piece of hair that you can wrap around, so it looks seamless. It looks like it's actually a part of your hair. But I love this. Like, I added a little flare to it, but I honestly am so in love with this look. Like, I will definitely wear this on a night out, and I feel like I look really cute with it. So yeah, that's my final comments on it. So if you've gotten this far into the video, thank you so much for watching, y'all. But you already know what I'm gonna say. I'm gonna say I need you to like, I need you to comment, and I need you to hit subscribe for me. So once again, y'all, thank you so much for watching this little tutorial video of me putting on this ponytail, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.